Some traits are controlled mainly by one gene. These are called monogenic traits, meaning single gene traits. Simple monogenic examples are useful in genetics because they let us model how alleles can be passed from parents to offspring. However, many real traits are more complex than this and may be affected by many genes and environmental factors. A Punnett square is a model used to predict the possible genotypes and phenotypes of offspring from a genetic cross. It shows the probability of different outcomes, not a guarantee of exactly what each child or offspring will be. A Punnett square works by placing one parent's possible alleles across the top and the other parent's possible alleles down the side, then combining the alleles in the boxes. Punnett squares use allele symbols. A dominant allele is usually shown with a capital letter, while a recessive allele is usually shown with a lowercase letter. For example, in a simplified model, if B represents brown eyes and B represents blue eyes, then BB would show the dominant phenotype. The genotype shows the allele combination, while the phenotype shows the observable trait. A pedigree is another model used in genetics. It shows how a trait appears across generations in a family. In a pedigree, squares usually represent males, circles usually represent females, and shaded symbols show individuals who have the trait being studied. Pedigrees can help identify patterns of inheritance, such as whether a trait appears to be dominant, recessive, or carried by unaffected individuals.